How to adjust brightness and contrast in VN. First of all, open the app on your device and select the project you want to edit. If you don't have a project yet, you can create a new one by importing your video clips. Once your project is open, tap on the clip you want to adjust in the timeline. Then select the filter section and choose the adjust option to open the brightness and contrast controls. Use the sliders to increase or decrease the brightness to make your video lighter or darker depending on the look you want. Next, adjust the contrast to enhance the difference between light and dark areas, giving your video a more vivid and professional appearance. VN allows you to make subtle changes for a natural look or more dramatic adjustments for a creative effect. You can preview the changes in real time to ensure your video looks perfect. Applying brightness and contrast adjustments across multiple clips will give your entire project a consistent and polished looks. Once you are satisfied with the brightness and contrast of your clips, your project is ready for the next step. Now you know how to adjust brightness and contrast in VN. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.